Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, we will see how we can pass some additional information to help the browser in interpreting our HTML tag. All HTML elements or tags basically can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag and not in the end tag. Attributes usually come in name-value pairs like name attribute name is equal to attribute value. In the below example, you can see the title attribute defines some extra information about an element. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tip when you take your mouse pointer over the element. In this example, the attribute name is title and the attribute value is I am a header. This attribute enhances the h2 tag. In the below example, the attribute is again title and the attribute value is I am a tooltip. This enhances the paragraph tag. Now let's run this example and see the output for ourselves. As you can see, when I take the mouse pointer on the title attribute, I can see the tooltip called I am a header. Also, when I hover my mouse over the below element, mouse over this paragraph, I can see the tooltip I am a tooltip.